Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a pretty simple one. It is not necessarily a makeup tutorial, but it's something really fun that I saw on Instagram and I really wanted to try and see if it really worked. I've been seeing a lot floating around on Instagram that you can do fake freckles very realistically with the L'Oreal Root Spray, and I don't know if that's true or not. I saw it on Lee Dixon Artistry. Her page is so beautifully curated. She tried it out. It looked gorgeous on her. She credits Penold for the inspiration for this, and then Penold, I had to write the name down because I knew I wouldn't remember how to say it, but she says that she was inspired by Daria Kolodnik. And that's as far back as I could tell that this freckle idea really went. So hopefully I got everybody. I want to give credit where credit is due for this. But this is the root spray that has been going all over Instagram. This is the L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Cover Up Temporary Gray Concealer Spray. And I actually bought two colors and tested them out on my arm earlier. Yeah, the first one didn't work. Where is it? Since I have such fair skin, I thought that the dark blonde root cover-up would actually be best and it would be the most natural on me. But when I've tried it out, it didn't look like anything. Literally nothing. So I can see why people were using the darker spray. So the correct color that people have been using is the medium brown, and I thought, oh my god, that is going to be so dark and so it's not going to look natural at all on me. But when I tested it on my arm, it actually looked okay. We're going to try this two different ways because I'm not comfortable trying it with a full face of makeup first. So we are actually going to try this on a bare face, which is obviously what I'm sporting right now. And the technique is basically like you have to get this to not spray full force like a hairspray, but to spray like a very fine, like little whoosh out of the thing. And I don't know. Half the time I tried on my arm, I just messed it up. Alright, so I'm going to see if I can get this to do the right thing for y'all so you can see what I mean before I start putting it on my face and messing it up. So it's supposed to be like this little whoosh, like that. And it's supposed to just be like, yay, freckles, but yeah, on me, I just think I'm just not doing it right. I don't know. Oh, I didn't shake the bottle. That's probably why. All right, let's give the bottle a little shake, and I will try this again. Oh, look at that. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm going to see my fat arm, but that's like, how do I get over here? It's actually like freckly. Dang. Look at that. And the nice thing about this actually is it comes off with a makeup wipe. So this is why I'm going to practice on my bare skin first, get an idea of how this should look, and then we'll try it with makeup on. Also, a quick side note, one of the reasons why I tested this beforehand was to make sure that this is obviously not meant for your face, it's meant for your hair. And I needed to be sure that because I'm allergic to literally everything, that this wouldn't have any kind of reaction on me, and it didn't. So I do encourage you to try that because again, it's not meant for your face, but I have extremely sensitive skin and I was okay with it. Nothing happened, so hopefully it'll work for you too. Okay, I've got the hair out of my face and I think I'm gonna give this one more good shake because, I mean, why not? What I think I want to do is do what I just did to demonstrate this for you guys. So I'm gonna start it on my arm, and then when I'm getting the spray that I like, I'm gonna move it to my face, see what happens. Alright, we're gonna start it on the arm and then move to my face. Alright, I failed a little bit there. I think I didn't spray it hard enough. I just really want this to work. Like, everyone made it look so cool, and I hope I can make it work. One more time. Oh, okay, you guys can kind of see some of the freckles coming through here. It's a little weird because it is like normally freckles would be on bare skin anyway, obviously, but I have so much redness in my skin, I feel like it just looks really strange. Man, this makes me so nervous too, because if you mess up, it looks like medium brown for sure, like you're just throwing hair color on yourself. So let's give it one more shot. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it does. It looks like freckles. Okay, so I'm going to take this off now. You can see it comes off really easy with a makeup wipe, which is wonderful. And I'm going to go ahead and put on a little bit of makeup, and we're going to do the real test to see how this looks. And I'm kind of scared. I haven't misfired this yet, and I feel like it's coming. Alright, y'all, so I have some light makeup on. I really just did enough to get everything pretty even out texture, even out the tone. So it's time for the true test, and I'm a little scared. Let's be sure to shake it again. I'm gonna do the same thing that I've been doing the last couple times. So I'm gonna start it on my arm, and then we're gonna move it to my face, and hopefully it looks okay. Okay, that didn't do too much. I got a couple of freckles. I was looking for it to be more like my arm. Yeah, maybe I need to get closer to my face. Maybe I'm like not close enough. I don't know. Still not very freckly. I wonder, I mean, should I just try it straight on my face? I just feel like that's an accident waiting to happen. I don't know. Like, there's not really any directions on this. I mean, this is not meant for your face, so... Alright, let's try again. Okay, that is way more freckly. So this, that last spray that I did was pretty good, minus, like... man. Alright, let's see if I can clean that. Oh, wow. Okay. I just used the brush that I had applied my foundation with, and that cleaned up really, really nicely, actually. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and say 10th time's the charm. It definitely works. Like, you can tell, see, I've got freckles all over my skin, but this is just kind of, it's like so much more time consuming than it really needs to be. There's like a special technique that you have to master in order to get the spray to spray at like just the right pressure, that you're not getting too much, but you're not getting, you know, absolutely nothing like I was the first couple of times that I tried. So yes, I do think it definitely works, but I kind of feel like I could get the same result with a little bit of like brow pomade and just kind of dabbing it in instead of this, where you definitely run the risk of spraying yourself too hard and you look crazy. Like, this is what I was doing when I tested this out to see if I had a reaction to it. This is that's like what it looks like if you spray too hard, and that's not freckles. I think if you can master that technique really well, then this would work great for you. And there's a lot of different colors that this comes in. It goes all the way from the lightest blonde all the way down to like the blackest black. So regardless of your skin tone, you can probably find a color in this that'll match and give you the right kind of freckling for your skin tone. But I don't know. I don't know that this is worth it when you can spray yourself like and look really, really strange if you made a mistake. Although, I'm not gonna lie, it was really easy to clean up. if I made a mistake. I do have my own freckles. They're very light, they're very fair, just like my skin. And I can't spend a whole lot of time in the sun because just like sun and sweat is one of the triggers for my hives. So I'm not going to be super freckly anytime soon naturally. So that's why I wanted to give this a shot. And it was really cool, but I think it's just a lot of extra effort, you know, and unless you get that technique down, it's just going to take longer than it's really, worth. But it does work, and that was what I wanted to test, is if it actually looked like freckles, and it does. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was, I don't know what I wanted it to be. I wasn't sure if I wanted it to be a tutorial because I never tried it before, or if I really just wanted it to be like, does it work, or what. But this was a lot of fun. It was different from, what I normally do. And if you guys did like this video, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. You can hit that red button either down below, or there will be one right up here in this corner before y'all leave. I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas if that is what you celebrate. And just happy holidays to all of you guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.